Task 4. Modify the program in Task 2.3 so that it outputs 0 after the ball reaches the ground using the if statement. H underline and assigns input open parentheses open quotation marks enter the height of the tower open parentheses in meters close parentheses colon close quotation marks close parentheses hashtag get the value as string from user input. T underline and assigns input open parentheses open quotation marks enter the time interval open parentheses in seconds close parentheses colon close quotation marks close parentheses. H assigns float open parentheses H underline in close parentheses hashtag turn the string into float numbers. T assigns float open parentheses T underline in close parentheses. U assigns 0 dot. A assigns 9.81. H ball assigns H minus open parentheses U star T plus 0.5 star A star T star star 2 close parentheses. If H ball is less than 0 dot colon. Print open parentheses open quotation marks the height of the ball is 0 dot close quotation marks close parentheses. Else. Print open parentheses open quotation marks the height of the ball is close quotation marks comma H ball comma open quotation marks meters close quotation marks close parentheses.